Well, he attack make. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
Them chatter bagger thing, them always are so. But hey, we still a room. Y'all still a send the catches to the kill the phone. Yeah, man, now move settings nation. And we no need no ladder. Yeah, man, Jaden Chase and that one we can bring another exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. So if you're new to the channel, it's a pass through. But you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then kick in the like button. Now let's get right into the reasoning. Now, nation, the sixth boss himself has been tagged by fake watch busters. Bad mind is always active. The man say if you drive a Benz, you have people out there who go tell people say you drive a Tida. Now, fake watch busters said Squash was wearing a fake Richard Mille RM035, America's gold Toro. Now, nation, what is shocking though is the price of this watch. Now, they are reporting that a genuine RMO35 gold is worth approximately 570. Them can't say approximately. Them gonna say this 570 to 600k US. 100k US are over 10 million plus. Now it's a limited edition. Only 50 pieces worldwide. Called America's because it was only available through Richard Mille boutiques that were located in the Americas. So whether it be North America or whatever, only on that continent, nowhere in Europe. Now they're saying here's how you spot a fake. They are saying Richard Mille, like other genuine watches, have unique serial numbers for every single piece produced. And that's something some people don't know. You see a barcode on the thing that you buy where you claim say real. You know, so you can Google and actually see your item. I bet enough people that got some item already out there. I wonder how them have that period if somebody else already have it. But let's continue the reasoning. Now they're saying, what is a joke is that if you search for fake RMO35s, you will find the same serial number 20, 12, 14. And they are saying when they zoom the image of the watch being worn by Squash, it was the same serial number. Now they are also saying the shape of the case was wrong. They are saying the bezel screws were wrong, the strap screws, wrong shape of the hour and minute markers, wrong shape of the skeleton mechanisms, meaning the gears, the screws that you can see through the front of the watch. Regardless of what they want to say, the G is still a room. Now, based on what them say and the findings they have presented, saying that the picture they must show it with the hand with the watch is the watch being worn by Squash, and they must show with the fake serial number. Them show with the real watch, and I say the real watch in all truth looks nothing like the fake, which is something most people know. If you actually know some of these brands, not about the watch itself, but most luxury brands, if you actually know the actual brand itself, when you see the fake, truth be told, the fakes look nothing alike. Like when people just say Chrysler look like Bentley, and when a Bentley pull up, you say wait, this look nothing at all like a Bentley. Then them say it look like a Phantom. And then when the Rolls Royce pull up beside it and the emblem jump out from the front, you realize that this looks nothing like a Rolls Royce Phantom. So we get what they must say. You know what I mean? We seen this same instant or the same situation recross. In an instant where Versace, I think it was, said that Rick Ross was on the cover of a magazine wearing a Versace shades that they did not make. They said they were not the makers of that specific sunglasses. You know what I mean? And Rick Ross said he picked it up at a boutique. It wasn't a Versace boutique, but it was a boutique that sold high-end products. And they say him grab it. And it was a fake, but him never know. And he wouldn't know. Was this the same scenario with Squash? To the price of the watch to do? No. I could definitely say maybe it could have go like what them say. 600,000 US. Yeah, man. Even if Squash did pay half of that, and then only if it go fake, a person will sell that, hey, me never want to get into them kind of reason there with Squash name, you know what I mean? But $600,000 US and the type of money we play with. Know what I mean? Yeah, it's over $500,000. You don't play with that kind of money. At no point in time we don't play around with that kind of cash. That kind of cash could have changed the lives of whole heap of citizens in the country right now. Build up house for everybody who's squash, you know. Buy car for everybody who him good with. Start a business for everyone of them and put a bus on the road and maybe a little vaxi bus too. You know what I mean? You know the people in Papa Film Park love vaxi bus. So not joke money. You know what I mean? These are this watch cost a small fortune. We know you hear that statement there already. But for all Jamaicans, all citizens, whether they reside overseas or wherever the case be, we know this statement to be true in this particular case. That watch and its price tag is a small fortune. You can start generational wealth with them kind of money in a Jamaica. You can start a big supermarket, a big wholesaler, start a transport company where your great grandson them can get money off of. You know what I mean? If you go the right way. So they must say squash has been busted, nation. So we in a fake Richard Millie priced at over 600,000 US. Don't feel away. Don't feel away. With a rocket. Who knows? Maybe it was a photo shoot. I mean, just did I take some picture. And what most people don't know is sometimes when you show up for these photo shoots, there's what they call wardrobe. So them have a whole heap of different things where you can wear. You know what I mean? So put your forward not just your t-shirt and your whole heap of jewelry. But them are saying, no, so feel like say, alright, one give them a jacket vibes and Ray. They might have some mink coats there. And not yours, but they are there. They might have some additional jewelry. They might have additional watches, additional shoes, whole heap of things where you can, you know, just forget the vibe. Remember, you just fall for the photo shoot. You are the product. And them are going to put clothes on you, you make the clothes up and up. You know what I mean? You know it go. So, maybe that was the case for squash right or so. Maybe him just fall at the photo shoot. And you know, them say you put on the Richard Millie and just drop it on. And you know, you don't know anything, just probably put it to the IG. And it is what it was. But the fake watch busters, and this is something them do from time to time for you. Them normally, as the name suggests, point out say one who is wearing a fake watch. You know what I mean? We see whole heap of North American superstars. I think Johnny Dang when they made have the thing where test the diamond clarity or test if the chain is actually a diamond chain any at all. I will see whole heap of rapper put it on them chain and you know, I don't know diamond never wear. You see? So we have seen these things happen. Whether it is a direct thing where the man them go grab something when a real, or them grab it through a person and it end up that it is not real, or them far at a photo shoot and just, you know, put it on because them gonna take some pictures. You know? Whatever the case was, the people that talk about it, the people them definitely are talk about the price tag. Some of them things are shocked to do, you know. When we hear the people that talk about lack of wealth and poverty and things of that nature, and then I see how you have watch way, you know, valued at 600,000. I do I tell time, Bridget. Yo, these watch, I don't even a Bluetooth watch. The most you can say is maybe them stay ticking for a longer time. With, you know, I don't want me to pay 600,000 for US for a watch. No, I don't see it right now. I don't see myself do that right now. There are people who are in that place. You have people with 600,000 on a watch and nothing. Lots of business tycoons in North America have this specific watch. Know what I mean? Yeah, that's a strange thing. Enough ones on the streets in North America might have this specific watch also. You know, the money thing they got. But, and that's something, you know, they're on my list right now. Seeing that hefty price tag. But talk to me in the comment section. No, yes, I don't know if I feel like a bad mind, them a bad mind squasher. I feel like them a try to set him up. And that was not his hand wearing that watch. Talk to me. I know you feel. Vice the one called Jaden Chase, the dancer correspondent, the guys representing the Vice, I'm reminded and now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but I like the reason and of course like the point of view, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. Like icon and share icon is also in close proximity. You can tell a friend, tell them, sister, and brother, them to check out the reasoning. Join the discussion, comment section on 24/7. Never like it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts and comments and your opinions there. Other than that, you know, yeah, man, I move settings, fam. And my sentiments for you and yours that want to live, love, and prosper until reason again.